Ta-da! Surprise! Your house. Your house.
What's happening? Babe, what's happening here?
Okay, babe. Ile siku nilikuja kutembelea niliona umefungiwa nyumba.
So?
Hata kama uko unataka kuniambia. So I decided I rent you an apartment. Nimeshalipa for 1 year. Utajishikilia hapa alafu ndio tutafute option.
Babe, no, you can't do this.
Sure, yeah. I have to do this for you.
Are you for real?
Mhm.
Okay. Babe, will come your day yes nilikuwa nimefungwa keja nile asamana ifai onyeshe like what you're going through asamana especially before you're a woman. Nile sikutaka kushow but this is my house.
Yeah.
Say, you gon' come to my place. I need you in my space, oh.